Here's how to turn text into speech using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your browser. Once it is open, then here search for 11labs.io. Then after that, you need to open this first website. Now from here you can convert your text into speech. You can see here it has the limitation of only 333 words. And from here you can select different voices. So first of all, what we need to do is to generate our text. For this we need to open a new tab and here search for ChatGPT. Once it is open, then here you need to type the prompt that you want to generate. Then after that you need to click on send button. Now ChatGPT will start to generate your text. After that you need to copy this text from here. Now you need to go back to 11 Labs and paste the text here. So here, as you can see, it has converted our text into speech. We can play it from here.
Technology, a revolutionary advancement in the realm of computing, has ushered in a new fields. Rooted in the emulation of human cognitive processes, AI leverages machine datasets, uncover.
So if you want to download it, then you need to click on download audio option next to it. After that, here you can see our audio has been downloaded. If you want to generate longer audios, then you need to click on the get started free option. After that, you need to sign up and purchase any of their plans. Then you will be able to generate longer text to speech. If you also want to convert your text into speech like this, then check the link in the description below. So this was how to convert text into speech using AI.